Lately it feels like AI is everywhere. Sometimes it's exciting, sometimes a little unnerving. But the reality is we're not waiting for some future moment. The AI revolution is happening right now, and it's changing the game for everyone.
That's what's wild to me. People keep talking about AI like it's years away, but we're already seeing jobs change or even disappear because machines can do them faster and cheaper. I mean, even CEOs aren't totally safe anymore.
Exactly, and it's not just factory or call center jobs at risk. We're talking about marketers, analysts, even top management roles. It's like each new wave of AI gets a little bolder about what it can handle.
It makes you realize waiting around and hoping things will stay the same just isn't a good bet. I've been telling my friends, if you've ever thought about starting a side hustle or building something online, this is the wake-up call.
That actually reminds me there's this flip side people miss. Instead of fearing AI, what if you used it to your advantage? Like, AI isn't out to get you used, right? It's like the ultimate toolkit for entrepreneurs.
Honestly, that's how I see it. Think about calculators. They didn't make engineers obsolete. They made them more powerful. AI can do your research, write your content, even manage entire marketing campaigns while you sleep.
And the cool part is, it levels the playing field. You don't need a giant team to launch a business anymore, a few smart AI tools, and you can automate, scale, and adapt so much faster than before.
Exactly. Platforms that use AI for funnel building, content creation, even customer follow-ups, they're booming. It's like having a digital army, so you can focus on what matters most.
Funny you say what matters most, because with so much tech, real human connection suddenly feels priceless. In a world full of bots, people start craving authenticity more than ever.
Totally. I've noticed even the best automation can't replace a genuine conversation or a personal touch. The businesses that win are the ones using AI to free up time for real relationships, not just replace people with scripts.
Right, and your story, your passion, those are things AI just can't replicate. When you use automation to handle the busy work, you get to show up as yourself and connect in ways that actually build trust.
And that trust becomes your edge. It's not just about selling a product. It's about building a community or a brand people actually want to be part of. Suddenly, your personality is your business asset.
All this tech brings up another big question. How do we make sure we're using AI responsibly and not just chasing the next shiny thing? There's so much hype, but also a lot of misinformation out there.
What surprised me most is how easy it is for AI to amplify bad info or spam if you're not careful. But if you treat it like raising a superpowered kid like Mo Gaudat says, you can teach it to serve, not just sell.
So it's on us to be truth seekers, right? To double check what AI gives us, look at different angles, and always add that ethical layer. Because the businesses that last are the ones people trust, not just the ones that move fast.
Absolutely. And when you use AI to educate, inspire, and actually help people, not just automate everything, you attract the kind of audience that sticks around. That's what makes it sustainable.
After everything we've covered, it kind of comes down to a choice. Wait for AI to shake up your job, or get proactive and build something that works for you. There's real power in partnering with AI instead of fighting it.
And the best part? With the right systems, you don't need to be a tech genius. There are marketing platforms and modern business models out there that handle the heavy lifting, so you can focus on the human side.
So true. When you blend AI automation with your unique voice and connections, you create a business that's both scalable and meaningful. That's the new wealth model. Let the machines do the grunt work, and you bring the heart.
I couldn't agree more. AI isn't here to replace us. It's here to replace the version of us that doesn't adapt. If you lean in, learn, and lead with value, you can actually thrive in this new era.